Inexperienced and uncoordinated young lions stand little chance of penetrating that wall of muscle to target the young. The calf is fleet of foot and lucky this time. Even the lionesses are too replete to make much effort. A narrow escape perhaps, but without its mother, the calf is doomed. Now very hungry.
For once, Tamu must defend himself. Do what his mother taught him. Attack when others run. But a powerful force has them in their sights. A tried and tested strategy. Isolate.